Good day and welcome to this video lecture about algebra. In this video lecture, I will discuss how to calculate the original price of an item. So let's start. Let's start with this problem. Anna paid 7,000 pesos for her bag with the discount of 15%. What was the original price of a bag assuming that no sales tax was added? So how can we figure this out? Well, there is a formula that can help you to get the answer quickly. Here is the formula. New price is equal to old price times 1 plus minus R. The new price or the final price is basically the final amount that Anna paid for her bag after the discount. So we will plug in the value of the new price and the 15% discount rate. After plug in the new price of 7,000 and the 15% discount, this is the result. 7,000 is equal to old price times 1 minus 0.15. So why we use negative R? Because we are dealing with a 15% discount, and discount means to reduce the price. So we are going to use the negative sign. The new price is going to be less than the original price. So that's why we need to use negative R. Let's say, for example, the percentage were to increase. We will use the positive sign or positive R. So the old price is going to be 7,000 divided by 1 minus 0.15 or divided by 0.85. And that will give us 8,235.29. You can check your answer by multiplying 85% or 0.85 to 8,235.29 and you must get 7,000. Now let's have one more similar problem. Jan bought a car for 900,000 pesos. If he received an 18% discount, what was the original price of a car? Well, let's use the same formula. The new price is equal to old price times 1 plus minus R. So the new price after the discount was applied is 900,000. And it is equal to the old price times 1 minus 0.18. We use negative R because we are dealing with a discount rate of 18%. Now solving for the old price, we get 900,000 over 1 minus 0.18 is equal to 900,000 over 0.82. So it will give us 1,097,560.97 pesos. So that is the original price of the car before the discount was applied. So now you know how to calculate using the formula. Thank you.